I don't think James has moved in any of them. Oh, my camera's confused.
So much like Ellie.
My poor camera's because I'm confused. I had it too flat.
Yeah, they do not look a month apart. First of all, James is longer.
Okay, I'm crying. What?
Who is this person sticking his fingers in my face?
Hey! Hi! Hi! Oh, what? What? Oh, no, that's not booby. You can't eat that. There, hold his hand down. Hi. Hi.
Okay, Gabe.
Gabe looks broader. James looks skinny compared to Gabe.